Experience the power of print with Konica Minolta. Embellishment has become an important differentiator in today's print industry. Introducing AccurioShine 3600, Konica Minolta's digital spot UV embellishment printer. Change designs quickly and flexibly for both digital and conventional prints. Maximize quality and productivity by reducing setup time and waste through the AIS scanner. Lower printing costs with its long-life, eco-friendly LED lamps. Gain a competitive advantage through its improved stability, reliability, and serviceability. Produce more captivating spot UV effects with the exclusive Konica Minolta inkjet printheads. Produce multiple spot UV thicknesses in just one pass. Maximum quality and productivity. Large paper loading capacity and a wide range of paper sizes. Excellent design and intuitive operation. iFoil 1 is an inline module that stamps foil onto varnish. The digital hot stamping machine, iFoil 1, is easy to use and simple to operate. It does not require an experienced operator. Unique options. The CTS option can embellish a broader range of substrates, including films, plastics, and synthetics. The VDP option increases impact, uniqueness, and security. The AIS coaxial light can register metallic substrates. Boost your uniqueness and profitability with digital spot UV coating technology. Konica Minolta's AccurioShine 3600.
Giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.